Daniel 3:10. The image of the gold and the fiery furnace. This is a story about Daniel and his three friends, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. So Daniel, along with his three friends, were teenagers taken from Judah by Nebuchadnezzar, king of Babylon, in the besieging of Jerusalem. The king only wanted the best-looking, smartest Israelites from the royal family to teach and train for 3 years, and after that they were to enter the king's service. Daniel was put in a high position by the king due to him being blessed by God and understanding and interpreting dreams of all kinds. The other 3 boys, Daniel requested the king to appoint them to be administrators over the province of Babylon, while Daniel himself remained at the royal court. So one day, the king made an image of gold and told everyone to worship and fall down when music started to play, but Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego said that they will not worship any other gods but their own God. So the king had them tied up by soldiers together and was put into a blazing furnace. It was so hot, the soldiers died that tied them up. Later on, the king said, "Look, I see 4 men walking around in the fire, unbound and unharmed, and the 4th one looks like a son of the gods." So the king praised their God and said he sent his angel to rescue them. From then on, the king promoted them in the province of Babylon.